everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you're new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and a notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Guys, a popular Skeem Saam actor Cedric Fourie, known as Lehasa, will be joining Durban. TV Plus announced the news on Twitter and said Cedric Fourie joins Durban ETV from the 12th of July 2021. Your eyes aren't deceiving you. Cedric is playing Dr. Mthembu, a persistent, charming and arrogant surgeon who never shies away from a challenge, and it's going to include Zondo. According to the teasers of this month, guys, Zondo and Dr. Mthembu will play some sort of hide and seek, trying a relationship which won't work out, as we later learn that Zondo will end up dating Ngobo. Lehasa, guys, has been with Skeem Saam ever since it started, and I hope he is not leaving the show for good. I really enjoy his character. But anyway, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to share your opinion on the comment section. Bye.